If you think you've seen luxury on wheels before, get ready to have your expectations completely redefined. This is the Kabe Imperial Ri810, a motorhome that's not just a camper. It's a mobile 5-star hotel packed into just over 27 feet. And yes, it comes with a jaw-dropping price tag of around $270,000. But once you step inside, you might actually find yourself thinking it's worth it. Made by Kabe AB, a Swedish company with decades of experience in crafting high-end recreational vehicles, the Imperial Ri810 is a shining example of what happens when premium engineering meets Scandinavian luxury. Known for low-volume production and handcrafted detailing, Kabe isn't interested in flooding the market. They're building a reputation, one luxury motorhome at a time. Based on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, the Ri810 can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people. But even if it's just you and a partner hitting the road, this vehicle feels more like a luxury suite than a traditional RV. At the rear, you'll find a full fixed bedroom, and for 2025, Kabe has introduced a Queen Island bed layout known as the LQB, complete with an electrically adjustable headboard and dual wardrobes. The living area boasts a lounge that easily converts into a bed, and there's also an optional electric drop-down bed for even more sleeping space. Everything is wrapped in high-quality materials, with your choice of full leather or premium fabric interiors, giving it a yacht-like, upscale hotel vibe, just on wheels. One of the major upgrades for the 2025 model year is the powertrain. The Ri810 now features a 190-horsepower engine with rear-wheel drive and dual rear wheels, boosting its towing capacity up to 2,000 kilograms. Whether you're hauling a boat, horse trailer, or other gear, this motorhome has the muscle to do it with style. The vehicle's gross weight has also increased from 5,500 kilograms to 7,000 kilograms, allowing for more features, storage, and, yes, luxury. The large garage space can easily fit 2 full-size e-bikes, along with other travel essentials. In terms of comfort, the Ri810 comes fully loaded. We're talking radiant floor heating, a walk-in shower, dual-pane windows, and an air conditioning system that keeps the living area cool and cozy. The kitchen features a hybrid cooktop, sleek galley layout, wine glass holders, a tower fridge, and even a microwave, just enough to feel like home, without overwhelming your getaway experience. What sets Kabe apart is its attention to detail and the all-inclusive luxury promise. You get things like central locking, hydraulic leveling, exterior motion sensor lighting, branded bedspreads and pillows, and even a pull-out heated ski box. The Kabe Smart D Command Center with app connectivity gives you full control over everything, from heating to water levels. Oh, and let's not forget the safety and security features. Rear-view camera, gas and smoke sensors, and a built-in burglar alarm are all standard. So what's the catch? The price, of course. Starting at €247,550 and climbing to €260,382 with a few options, the Kabe Imperial Ri810 isn't for everyone. But for those who want the ultimate travel experience, this RV delivers in every way imaginable. In a world full of cookie-cutter campers, the Kabe Imperial Ri810 doesn't just stand out, it reigns supreme. Luxury, comfort, performance, and innovation, all packed into a motorhome that turns every journey into an unforgettable escape.